everyone. So today we are starting hands on Arduino and temperature sensor LM35. So our today's session is temperature measurement. This session will include understanding of ADC, understanding analog input functions, understanding serial communication, and understanding serial out functions. So all these topics will be covered in this session. So first we require temperature sensor. So temperature sensor is LM35. Next, LM35 is analog linear temperature sensor. It measures up to minus 55 degree to 150 degree. The sensitivity of LM35 is 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. Means if there is change in 1 degree, the output will change in 10 millivolts. Next, LM35 can operate it from 5 volt supply. So no need to generate extra power supply because Arduino has onboard 5 volt power supply. This is the diagram of LM35. So this is LM35. Pin number 1 is VCC, 2 is output and 3 is ground. So we require this LM35 temperature sensor. So this is LM35 temperature sensor. We are using this LM35 temperature sensor with Arduino. Next, interfacing diagram. So interfacing diagram is very simple. We require only LM35, Arduino and 3 wires. So this is my Arduino, this is my LM35. So 3 wires are required. So first wire is VCC, then second wire is analog input and third wire is ground. So you can connect analog input to your choice A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. You can connect anywhere in between A0 to A5 because these pins are dedicated to analog input. So this is simple interfacing diagram which doesn't require op-amp for amplification or etc. In Arduino, everything signal conditioning is done internally through program. So just connect LM35. If you are doing same system in electronics using ICs, then you require signal conditioning, op-amp. If you use op-amp, you require dual power supply. So circuit will become complex, but it is very simple. Just connect temperature sensor to Arduino. No extra components are required. So this is the diagram. Now ADC resolution is very important term in ADC. Without knowing ADC resolution, you cannot go further. Next basic requirement is ADC instructions. Which instructions are used for ADC? The next topic is serial communication speed, and last is serial communication instructions. So these four topics are very important for writing the code for temperature measurement. So first part is ADC resolution. The definition of resolution means minimum change that can be detected, that can be measured. We are using scale. The scale may be of 15 centimeter, 6 inch or 30 centimeter or 12 inch. The resolution means minimum change that can be detected. So how much minimum value you can measure is the resolution. So on scale, take example of scale. On scale you can measure minimum 1 millimeter mm. So 1 mm is the resolution of scale. You cannot measure less than 1 mm using scale. Now come back to the Arduino. In Arduino, ADC resolution is given by equation V reference divided by 2 raised to n, whereas V reference is 5 volt and n is number of output bits, it's 10. So if you put these values, 5 volt divided by 2 raised to 10 is equal to 5 volt divided by 1024 is equal to 4.85 something. So assume it is 5 millivolt. So resolution of ADC is approximate 5 millivolt. So in short, ADC will measure minimum 5 millivolt. When its input is 5 millivolt, its output is 1. If its input is 10 millivolt, its output is 2. So this is the concept of resolution. If you compare the sensor output and ADC resolution, the sensor output is 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. Means for 1 degree, its output is 10 millivolt. But in Arduino, ADC gives one output for 5 millivolt and two for 10 millivolt. So there is problem. Take example, if my temperature is 1 degree Celsius, output of sensor is 10 millivolt, and when 10 millivolt is given to ADC, Arduino ADC, its output is 2, but actually temperature is 1, so it gives double output. So in program we have to do signal conditioning, means we have to divide the output of sensor by 2. So when you give 1 degree, for 1 degree 10 millivolt, internal is divided by 2, so you are getting 5 millivolt, and so output is 1. So at the time of programming you will understand this. Next, ADC instruction. There is simple ADC instructions. Analog read, analog pin. Analog read is ready-made library function which performs all analog output, and it gives direct output in ASCII, decimal ASCII. So this is single instruction analog read. Then serial communication speed. Speed is very important. The speed is known as baud rate. Baud rate means beats per second. So baud rate means beats per second. How many beats you are sending in 1 second is known as baud rate. The standard baud rate is 9600, and for IoT the baud rate is 1,15,200 beats per second. And next point is serial communication instructions. So there are two instructions. First is serial begin into bracket baud rate, whatever baud rate you want. And next is serial print. Serial print is used to print the data on serial port. Any doubt? Sorry. Okay. Next. Now we will start actual hands-on for temperature measurement. Okay. So for that we have to open Arduino software and we will start writing the code. Okay. So this is the theory. Now we will start hands-on. Okay. So this is my Arduino program, Arduino software. So first we have to make our circuit arrangement, and for that I had made the circuit like this. So this is my Arduino and this is my LM35, which is connected, 3 wires are connected to this. I am connecting this Arduino with LM35. LM35 is connected to A0 pin. So this is my hardware. I will connect USB cable to this hardware. So this is my code. So we will start writing the code. So first instruction is we have to initialize where you are connecting analog input. So INT sensor equal to 0. So we are connecting analog input, that is temperature sensor at A0. Then we have to read the output of ADC, output of sensor, and we have to store it. So we will take one variable INT sensor value. Then in setup mode we have to initialize baud rate. So for initialize baud rate there is instruction serial dot begin into bracket baud rate. The standard baud rate is 9600. In setup there is no need to initialize ADC because ADC is dedicated only for ADC. So no need to initialize analog input. Then in loop you have to write the instruction like sensor value equal to analog read sensor. So using these instructions you can do ADC, but we want to observe the output, and for that we are using serial terminal, and for that you have to transmit the data on serial port using serial print command. So serial dot print serial dot print, p is small, serial dot print sensor value. And we want some delay 1000. So after every second temperature is measured. After writing program, do one habit, click on tools and auto format. So automatically all formats are done. Then tools, board is Arduino Uno. Then tools, port, there is no port because I had not connected Arduino board, so I have to connect Arduino board here. So after connecting Arduino board, you will get port name. So I am connecting Arduino board. So I had connected Arduino board, power supply is on. Now click on tools and port. See, port is Arduino COM3 Arduino Uno. So port is selected. Now click on upload. So I am upload. So first it will ask the file name. So I will write Sakek ADC. Save. So first file will be saved and your data, it is converted into machine language, and after that it is loaded into IC. Now see the program. This is serial, sensor is connected to 0. This is sensor value. In that we are taking the value of ADC. Then serial begin 9600 for baud rate. Sensor value is equal to analog read sensor. So automatically everything is converted into digital, and that value is loaded into sensor value. Serial print sensor value. Whatever output is there, that output is printed on serial port. And this is delay. Now uploading, done uploading. So my code is loaded into IC. The code is loaded into IC. But how to observe the output? So to observe the output, there is one option, serial monitor. So click on serial monitor. So when I click on serial monitor, COM3 will open and it shows some values, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68. So I'm confusing what is my temperature. So there is one function to take output on new line. So that is serial print ln. So I will write serial print ln. So and then upload. So when I write serial print ln, so every time it output goes to next line. I am not writing complete program. I am writing the program step by step so that you can understand. So again compiling. Here compiling is done, and here we will get output. So this window is obtained from this serial monitor. So uploading the program, done uploading, and you will get output. So I am getting 68, 68, 68, 68. But right now my temperature is not 68. So this is not calibrated output. So we have to do signal conditioning. So signal conditioning means converting your input according to requirement of next stage. The sensor output for 1 degree is 10 millivolt, but for 10 millivolt Arduino gives output 2. So we want half of that output, therefore it is divided by 2. So this is signal conditioning, and then upload it. So when you upload, uploading, so 34, 34, 34, 34. Now if I increase the temperature, I have lighter, so I will increase the temperature. So it goes 54, 76, 75, 71, 68. After every second I am getting output. Now I am observing only digits, but I want output like this, temperature equal to. So I will copy this data. So I will copy this data and paste it. Now serial print ln, I'm not using ln now because I don't want to go to next line. So serial print, and here I will write whatever you want, and that is in double inverted comma. So when I write in double inverted comma, it is in ASCII format. So temperature equal to, and then again I will click on upload. So when I click on upload, my output will be like this: temperature equal to 34. Now I want Celsius. So for that, again we have to add one instruction: copy, paste, serial print. Now I want ln here, and here serial print temperature sensor value space C, and then I want to click on upload. So when I click on upload, compiling the sketch, uploading, done uploading. So temperature equal to 35 degree Celsius. Now I will give heat, so temperature increases. So this is temperature measurement. In this, serial begin is used to generate baud rate. Serial print ln or serial print is used to print the data on serial port, and analog read is used for read the analog signal. So this is temperature measurement using LM35. This is simple practical, you can perform it. Okay, so this is our temperature measurement session. Thank you very much.